Okay, solve these two problems for me, please. They were left over at the end of there's three. Sorry, three problems. Ooh, I almost lost this one. Oh, do these three and then turn the machine back on. Okay, remember how to multiply by a fraction. 4 goes into 8. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 4 goes into 12. 3 times 3 is 9. So then you would subtract 1, so 5x, add 9, so that would be 10, divide by 5x equals 2. Now this one, when it's on the same side, you just combine. 6x and 2x is 8x. 6 and 12 is 18. Subtract 3x. Subtract 18. Minus 3 minus 18 is minus 21. Divide by 5. X equals negative 21 over 5. This one, so we have 6x plus 6, 4x minus 8. So subtract 4x, subtract 6. So x equals negative 7. Okay. Did you get it? I hope you did. This might be our last video. I don't know, but let's see what we got. Oops, wrong side. Graph on a number line. Do these three for me, please. So subtract 6. Whenever you divide by negative, you switch inequality. I divided by negative 3, so I'd have open dot, because there's no equals, less than negative 2. Here, 5x minus 10 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 10. So subtract 3x. So I'd have 2x. Add 10 to get the numbers over here. So 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to 0. Here, multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is negative 2. Switch inequality. So I have all the numbers less than negative 12. Tried to trick you here, open dot, but this is a closed dot because it's an OR. Now remember, and is the only one that can be written this way. You add 6 to everything to get rid of it. You add the reverse, or we're subtracting 6, so add 6. So it'd be 2x is less than or equal to 2x. Is less than or equal to 46. Let's start over. 26 is less than or equal to 2x. I said it twice. I know. It's less than or equal to 46. Divide everything by 2. So it'd be 13 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 23. So it'd be between the two. Now, this one, find the equation of a line that is perpendicular. Well, first thing you have to do is find the slope, if you remember. It's been a while since we've done this. So you'd subtract 3x, divide by negative 6. So y equals 1/2 x minus 2. The slope is the number times x, and I have a hair going right into my eye. Goodness. Sorry about that. So the slope is 1/2. Parallel slope would also be 1/2. It's not asked for. But remember the perpendicular slope. So it's the opposite flip. So the perpendicular slope would be a negative 2. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. So y minus 5 equals negative 2x minus 1. Now, it doesn't say how to put the answer, so I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'll add 5 to both sides. Ooh. Last question. We have a bag of marbles. It has 6 blue marbles, 4 green marbles, 2 yellow. How many total marbles do we have in the bag? 12. Pull 1 marble and put it back in the bag. So we're going to pull out 1 marble, see what it is, and then put it back in the bag. What's the probability of pulling out a blue? Well, how many blue are there? 6 out of how many marbles out of there? 12. So if it was a perfect world, we would pull out a blue marble 1 out of every 2 tries. Now, it's not a perfect world. Maybe the blue marbles are greasy. Remember you used to play cards with your little brother or sister and they get peanut butter on it and they get sticky and yuck. That's the way it is. What's the probability it's not green? Well, how many marbles are not green? 2 plus 6 is 8 out of 12. So that would be 4 goes into both. That would be 2/3 of the time. Now, what's the probability it's green or yellow? Well, there's 4 greens, 2 yellows, so that would be 6 out of the 12 marbles, or half the time it would be green or yellow. Boy, I hope these videos help you some. I hope you actually try some of the problems. Make sure you know how to solve, how you graph, how you find the equation of a line. Anyways, have a good day.